Okay, chef. Yes,
Drink a little
chef.
bit.
Yeah, but
So
but these 2 days that they are cooking. Oh my god.
that's beef.
Minced beef, right?
It's beef. Yeah.
Yeah.
Minced out.
That's your number one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you cannot eat this.
This is better.
It's not very spicy.
It's not very spicy.
Yeah.
What is this one?
Ginger.
Oh, it's ginger.
Ginger and garlic.
Okay.
So yeah.
To give us a flavor.
Where did you learn all these like recipes?
It's cool.
No, but like your family, or it was just you all sometimes look around like in video? Or
My
something?
mom, what my mom and dad cooking, I just ask them like what's inside.
Oh, okay.
And then you try your own recipes the way you want it to cook. For me, I don't have a recipe. I don't really follow the recipe.
Okay.
So I just like cook whatever ever I want.
But it's different kind of kitchen. It's not only Shanghainese or.
Mostly like Shanghai or whatever Chinese food. So yeah.
Well, this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense.